Oregon Cash Flow Pro Quick Tip.
Hey folks, today's quick tip: get in the habit of saving. And I'm serious when I say you need to make this a habit. It is one of the hardest things for a lot of people to do, but it is the most important. In order to make this a habit, you need to create a system that works for you so that you can start saving. At first, it doesn't matter how much, but it's pretty easy if you just have an automatic amount deducted from your paycheck. You can have it automatically deposited into a savings account. That is a great way to get started when you don't even know that it's happening. Now, for this to actually be a habit though, you're going to have to be actively saving. So you're going to have to get past that point where it automatically comes out without you knowing it, and you need to make it a habit. So beyond setting something up to where it automatically happens, I want you to think about setting aside a certain amount of money every time you get paid. If this is a challenge for you, you can start off very small. You can start off withholding $10 or $20 from each paycheck. Just pull it out as soon as you make that deposit. As you get better and better at savings, you're going to want to up that amount. You want to try and get 10%, 15%, 20%. The more you can get in the habit of putting into savings, the better off you're going to be in the long run, and I promise you, you're going to appreciate it. So think about what you can do to create a habit of savings. Put it in the comments below. I'd love to see what your thoughts are on this, and have a great day.